how's it going? My name is Eric. Today we're gonna be making a chicken pesto sandwich. We're gonna be making our own pesto, our own chicken cutlets. We're gonna top that with a bunch of fantastic ingredients. This thing is going to pop off. Please stick around for this whole thing. Please like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching. Enjoy. We're going to be making our pesto to start. And the main ingredient in pesto is basil. So we're gonna add all of this basil in here. This is about 70 grams of basil. Just gonna stuff that in there. Hopefully this works because this blender sucks. We're gonna add 30 grams of walnuts. Some people use pine nuts, but pine nuts are really expensive, so I got walnuts instead. 60 grams of Parmigiano reggiano, 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna need to peel these. Going in, 1/3 of a cup extra virgin olive oil. Lastly, sea salt. And at this point, if you were to ask me my confidence level in this blender, being able to actually blend up these ingredients, I would say it's around 3%. Let's see. Oh shit. Well, that worked. So it turns out that this blender doesn't suck, and I accidentally just made pesto puree. So we're gonna have to deal with that now, because I don't have any more basil. Hopefully it tastes okay. I'm sure it will. All right, so we made our pesto adjacent item, pesto puree, if you will. Now we're gonna start on our chicken. So I'm just putting it onto 2 pieces of wax paper. This is actually more chicken than I think I need. And I'm seasoning with salt and crushed red pepper. Now what we're going to do, we're gonna fold our wax paper over top here. We're taking our rolling pin and flattening these. Okay, and what we're going to do now that we flattened our chicken, drop it first into our flour, get a nice coating on that flour, flip it around, shake off any excess here, dropping it into our egg wash. Both sides get the egg wash, dropping this into our breadcrumbs. And press firmly. So we're frying about 1.5 minutes on each side. And that's the sound that you're looking for. Absolutely gorgeous. You sound like a golf announcer. If you look at that chicken, stepping up on its approach to the 3rd green. It's gonna need about a 3 iron. It's a far shot. And that thing is absolutely perfect. Just beautiful. Looks absolutely pristine. All right, ready to assemble this sandwich. First, I'm gonna cut up a couple tomato slices. Perfect. Sprinkle salt on each of those. This is our ciabatta. It's absolutely beautiful. Puree, keyword puree, on both sides of this. Melt mozzarella on both sides. Now we're just gonna melt these. Chicken on the bottom side, like that. Nice, beautiful stack.
Nice! Oh, thanks, son. Yours is askew.
We're gonna top this portion, tomatoes, red onions, look at that, dude, that's unreal. Oh yeah!